All right, well, things are changing over here on this channel for a little bit. If you saw our last video, we have taken a position at a church in Virginia, which means we are packing up our whole lives and moving to Northern Virginia to start 2026. So pretty much from now till the end of the year, we are fixing up our house, we are packing up our house, and we are heading south. So that's going to be a lot of what this content is, but we hope you stay with us, enjoy the journey. We are so excited. This has been a long time coming, but it's going to be an awesome transition, and we can't wait for the adventure videos that are to follow in 2026 from the beautiful state of Virginia. Well, one of the first things I said I would do if we ended up landing a job in another state and needed to move is I would buy myself a trailer. Everybody does things their own way. Some people rent a U-Haul, some people use a storage unit or that company Pods. For me, I wanted to own a trailer. I figured I could sell it when I'm done with it, or I could keep it to move motorcycles around. And so I found a great deal. The guy was super awesome, gave me an awesome price, and we picked up this 1991 Carmite trailer, and I immediately got to work kind of sprucing it up, cleaning it up. You saw the underside had some surface rust, so we took all that off with a wire brush and then primed it up, got it some paint, kind of fixed up this wheel well. Of course, I turned it into a project, because that's what I do. But I was super excited to own this trailer, and the boys were excited to give me a hand. Kind of brought us back to the bus building days. So after getting that surface rust on, we hit it with some nice primer to protect it, get it ready for paint. And then we heated up that wheel well and used a ratchet strap to kind of bend it back and get it squared away. It worked for the most part. It's better than it was. It's a 35-year-old trailer, though. There's going to be some bumps and bruises. Also sprayed the interior of that wheel well so that it looked a little cleaner going down the road. And here we are getting that flat black paint on. Turned out awesome. Well, the other thing we needed to do was kind of take apart our backyard. So I took down all of our bird houses. We can't wait to see where we end up and where these bird houses end up. I'm sure some of our bird friends that have called this spot home are going to be sad next spring when they go looking for a place to make their nest and it has relocated to Virginia. But that's how it goes sometimes. And then because we have the bus and because we can pack the bus, we started taking things out.
You good?
You're a machine, Butter.
The house was going up for sale. We were getting ready for some showings, and we packed what we could. Well, sometimes it's a camping bus, but lately, it's our own personal U-Haul. Getting this thing ready to head down to Fredericksburg, Virginia, where it's going to be parked for a couple months at our friend's house. And then once we get settled in Harrisonburg, we will bring this thing over and unload it. But this is all the stuff we can live without for a couple of months. So I think we might have too much stuff if we can live without this much stuff. But yeah, name of the game. Get it packed, chip away at it, and yeah, get moving. Bennett and August even packed up their room and labeled their own box, which was super cute. And if you remember back a few videos ago, we had a bit of a bathroom debacle upstairs, which involved repairing the ceiling in the kitchen. And I hadn't yet finished it completely, but now that the house was going up for sale, it was time to get to work. So I pulled the mud out, started feathering it in with the plaster on the ceiling, and getting that squared away for the next owner. It turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I'm glad that that problem was as short-lived as it was. Felt good to get this done and painted and squared away. And of course, there was a little bit of tidying up to do outside. So this is an old single pane window. It's the only one in the house. And the window frame needed some love and attention. So I took that same gray stain that we did the porch in over the summer and did the entire back window. That turned out great. And then the saddest of all moments, it was time to start packing up the shop. Hard to believe. Spent a lot of hours in this space, fixing bikes, having fun. But we started packing some of that up, and as you can tell here, the bus was full. And then finally, the house was on the market. After the big push, here are a whole bunch of pictures of how it was when we got it in 2019 and how we're leaving it for the next owners. New roof was put on in 2022. The deck was stained. This was the living room. And of course, we repainted. I actually spray painted those bricks black the night we moved in. This was the dining room before we had it. Painted that a couple times while we were here, but this is how it looks today. Probably one of the biggest improvements was this kitchen. Repainted, refreshed, new sink. Absolutely love this kitchen and have made a lot of awesome food in this space. This is the other end of that same kitchen. The pictures kind of speak for themselves. This is a little room off the kitchen. It became our homeschooling room. Lots of natural sunlight in there. And then here's the bedroom. Before we got a hold of it, here's what we did to it to brighten things up. And the biggest accomplishment of all, here was the attic the day we moved in. And here's the attic when me and the boys got done creating an epic bedroom. Oh, and of course, we did flip the bathroom. Actually, 2 different times. And we also spruced up the downstairs bathroom while we were here. So all in all, a lot to be proud of at 2931 Burton Avenue in Erie, Pennsylvania. We loved our time here. It feels surreal to be saying goodbye. But we know we've left it better than we found it, which is how we like to do everything. And we're proud to offer this home to its next owner. All right, so if you wondered if we were so busy we couldn't do crazy things like polar plunges, don't worry. We're keeping on task over here. This was early November. We got ourselves a polar plunge, 45-degree water, and we were ready. This time we were joined by a friend of mine from back home, our original hometown. He jumped in. He's the original gangster when it comes to the cold plunge. He can do up to 20 minutes.
This is the spot.
So it was our chance to show him our location.
Have you ever been here? Okay. But this is like the first early deep spot. It's shallower this year. I feel like there was a big washout and it got kind of filled in. but it used to be like up to my neck. We'll see how it is. Oh, is it all super wet? Okay.
This is really lucky here, so I don't know if we want to.
Yeah, we don't. This shale, man, you can slide down it.
That looks deep.
Yeah, this will be good. I'm gonna go over here. Just look here.
What's funny is
Yeah, this is a little less steep though.
Careful, Lisa, that's
Slow down. Yep, just slow down, slow down. Not a race. Slow down. Oh my gosh, dude. Everybody good? Hey, pick that up. Don't drop those. Don't drop those. Here you go. I'll take them. I'll take them. Thank you. All right, hold on.
My teeth are already chattering.
Your teeth are chattering. Look out, bud. Look out.
I'm already cold, not even getting in yet.
All right, hold on. Watch where we're just chucking stuff. We're getting stuff wet before we lunch.
Oh, it's fun. It's all it's all how you think.
Polar plunge. GOAT. All right, the original gangster. B-Rad. Say hi to Brooks.
What's up, Brooks?
Ask him if he's still skinny.
Brooks, you're so skinny.
All right, listen, we're gonna do this. We're shooting for 5 minutes. Wintergreen Gorge. Woo! We ready?
No, we are not.
All right, ready?
Oh, wait, what? Wait, can you do it? Oh,
Yeah, I mean, we gotta go for it, right?
right. I'm going in right here.
Yo, B-Rad's in. B-Rad's in.
Oh, that's not bad.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Up to your neck. Up to your neck.
Not bad, right?
Anderson goes full send with the cannonball into 45-degree water.
All right.
Grab your arm and then cross your arms. Cross your arms. Bring your legs in and cross your arms and make it warmer.
You don't have to. You want to do it?
what are we at?
We're at 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
It's all right, bro.
You're all right. You're all right. Dig deep. Big breaths. Big breaths.
Don't get in.
That's how you do it.
Don't get in.
What are we at?
You can hear the pain and suffering from these mentally tough children.
Bennett, don't worry about what we're at.
What are we at?
We're at 50 seconds. 50 seconds.
Guys, you don't have to do 5.
Just get
do
out.
2.
I can't.
We're at a
you already
minute.
did it.
We're at a minute. You did it. Woo!
You did more than my kids would do. You guys did way more than my kids would do.
All right, after 1 minute,
I gotta set this down. Oh my gosh.
Bennett and Preston got out.
Oh.
I'm going for 2.
Warm and just hold yourself.
Dad, tell me. What
Oh.
are we at? Because I'm getting out at 2 minutes.
You're getting there. You're,
Tell me at 2 minutes.
I will.
Breathe! Everybody breathe!
Stop yelling at me. Oh my gosh, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this?
This is amazing.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
What am I
Is it
at?
getting warmer or is it me?
Oh.
It's you.
I think it's.
You got 15 seconds and you're done. What do you think it is? 40 degrees?
It's gotta be.
It's got to be somewhere close.
No! All right, AC, you're good.
All right, Aaron and
2
Anderson got out
You did
at
it.
2 minutes.
How long are you going for?
I'm going 5.
Ah! I gotta get the timer going. No!
It's very intense to do this and to also run a camera and try to video it, but it's worth it.
Okay. Okay. What do you think of this spot?
That's beautiful.
Hey, babe. Set a timer for 2.5 minutes and come get my phone.
I'll get your phone.
Please don't drop it.
Super fun.
You got it?
Charlie and August sat this one out.
Oh. So you hold your arms together?
Yeah.
You feel like that helps?
It does. It keeps you warmer. Even with your legs, if you keep your legs and your body together,
Yeah.
the closer you keep it, the warmer it gets.
Really? What's the longest you've gone?
I've done 20 minutes.
I was afraid you were going to say today, let's go for 20. I was like, no, bro.
After like a solid 10, you don't feel it though.
Oh!
Oh, you just got a warm spot?
No.
Oh.
Why, did you pee over there? Drifted down here?
No, I thought you got warm for a minute. I thought you
No,
were
I
like,
didn't
oh,
get
this feels
warm.
amazing.
Do you submerge your head?
What's that?
Do you submerge your head at the end?
No.
I usually do. I don't know if I can today, man. Ah!
I take cold showers at my house, straight cold.
Oh!
And the other day I hopped in and it touched the top of my head. It literally took the breath away from me.
No! How much time?
Minute 15. Dead.
Left? No! That'll get us to 5. What, Anderson?
You're so red.
I bet I am.
It feels amazing, doesn't it?
Ugh. Why do we do these things? This says I have 30 seconds left.
Seriously?
Yeah, we're at 4.5. Ugh, I don't know if it was rolling before we got in. No, it was rolling before we got in because I was talking. Yeah, we were talking about Brooks being skinny. Oh man!
All right, well, here it is in time-lapse form. The Lindblad 7 and our buddy B-Rad at the Wintergreen Gorge pulling off an epic 2025 cold plunge. Nothing like it. A couple of them did a minute, a couple of them did 2 minutes. I did 5, and of course, B-Rad stayed in for 8. It was awesome. We're having fun over here. Thanks so much for watching. We will catch you in the next video, coming to you from the beautiful state of Virginia as we go down there to visit, look for our next home, and keep pushing things forward. Talk soon.